In today's video, we will be going over the steps to install the smart intelligent spray control system. Start by assembling the spray valve adapters. Seal the threads on the shown connectors. After sealing, tighten all connections. Add sealant to the spray pipes. Attach the assembled adapters. Be sure to tighten until the valve connection is facing away from the air blast and other valves. Attach the solenoid. Be careful of the O-ring, as it may become pinched during installation. Attach the spray boom harness. Route along the spray pipe and secure it in a safe place, away from moving parts or contact with foliage. Level the sprayer so the roll value is 0 degrees. Assemble the hitch mount. This will